Tonight, we start with Charlotte immigrants who say they're looking to protect themselves and their families ahead of the new year.
This comes as President-elect Donald Trump promised mass deportations on his first day in office.
WCNC Charlotte's Teresa Woodard shares more details on how families are preparing.
Well, I spoke with an immigration attorney who says right now many families are uncertain about their future, with many of them working to adjust or fix their immigration status ahead of the new year. For many Charlotte immigrants, time is running out.
They're scared.
The fear of uncertainty causing many to seek legal services.
So we've noticed an increase in those type of inquiries about, hey, I'd like to come in and see you and see what steps I can take to get my immigration status so that I don't risk anything.
David Concha is an immigration attorney. He says each case is different. While some are worried about fixing their immigration status or protecting their assets, others are worried about the impact of those who are in the system.
Those would be easy to execute because they're already detained. So those are the ones that are definitely going to be picked up, are definitely going to be subject to these mass deportations.
Concha says there's a lot of misinformation spreading about the process of being deported. He says it's a process that doesn't happen overnight.
It's not so easy to say that we're just going to pick up a bunch of people and throw them out. It really has to be analyzed on a case-by-case basis to determine who has a right to see a judge and who doesn't. Generally, if someone were to be eligible for a hearing, they have to be issued a document called a notice to appear.
He says from there, things will then head to the immigration court to determine whether or not a person is removed. An intense process, he says, they're gearing up for, too.
So I'd expect some kind of vigorous, zealous action on their part. So similarly, we also have to prepare in that same manner. We have to be ready to fight, ready to defend these people, and especially the ones that have the rights to do these things.
Well, Concha says he's encouraging folks not to panic, but instead be prepared by contacting a lawyer who can go over any legal concerns ahead of the next year. Reporting for WCNC Charlotte, I'm Teresa Woodard.